immediately.
Yes, Biggie.
You are told to freeze.
Thank you, Biggie, for the opportunity. Thank you so much. I love you, Biggie. Fuck all of you.
I know that the person that was screaming that scream was Wani. Like, Biggie has sent them out. I told you guys that these 3 people are on a mission, and I'm sure Big Brother is aware of it. Just to shack the entire house. Maybe eventually outside the house they will try to apologize for the whole thing, but the essence of that thing is just to trigger these housemates, to make them feel anger, because all this while Big Brother has been doing all those things he's been doing, sending people to, sending the ninjas to carry their food, do this, do that. It wasn't getting to these housemates. All the whole style Big Brother used, even invite Toke join, they still did not get the gist. Ebuka, even every Sunday tells them, they still did not get the gist. So Big Brother now said, okay, let me show you people Pepe, and decided to send these people to disturb the peace of the house. Like, it was indeed a night. Looking at it the other way now, you will see that these people actually did this because Big Brother told them to do. If not, why didn't Biggie do anything about it? He just wanted to mess with their head and brain. If you think that way, you understand better. I don't know if you guys understand, but what do you actually think? Do you think it wasn't necessary to also do this thing? Because me, I was saying, okay, why did you invite this almost a week to the final? So why? This is something we would have done earlier. At least it will consume the housemates, not now that it's almost finishing. That kind of thing. But seriously, I'm sure they must have gotten enough traffic because people talked a lot about yesterday. People really talked a lot about yesterday, so maybe that's why. And now he has decided to go. He don't tire for the whole thing. I don't know, but me, I feel like maybe their mission is to come in and do this thing and then go out. That is just it. Maybe he told them probably to, if you know the person that you know that you are annoyed at or angry at, go and poke that person very well so that they will feel gingered in the house. Something like that. Maybe to instigate them so that their fan base can actually vote very well to the finals. These are ways to make money for them. They are not looking at what you say. And trust me, guys, this will make fan base to brace up and vote their faves back to back next week for the winning prize. So it's part of their marketing strategy. Forget about these things they just did. If you know who you're voting for to win, just kindly start Monday to prepare. Do whatever to keep your fave and then let them collect the money. That's the way Big Brother has been running. So if you vex that intrigger them, yeah, it's okay. I just hope the housemates will come out of the trauma that they just faced yesterday and then move along, as in take a fresh air and move along. So he don't want to, evict them during the live show. So he has to send them out so that those that will be evicted because they're too much in that house. Probably he may leave 6 people to be the top finalists or 5 people, depending on Biggie, because it's his house. So guys, what do you actually think about yesterday's situation? Let me know, guys. And yes, guys, if you watched to this point, thank you guys so much. And if you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much.